Gardening resolutions 2022. Well, the pandemic for the last 2 years has really taught us a thing or two about gardening. So, here are our top 5 tips for your gardening journey this year 2022. The first one is grow herbs. While you can grow vegetable garden, growing herbs will give you herbs through the year and you never have to go to a market to buy herbs at all because we use them in just small quantities. The second tip is use recycle planters from home. It can be a bucket or a mug, or it can even be an old kettle. Recycled gardens are much more creative and a lot more fun. The third thing, grow plants that are functional, that help you either as food or medicine, and just give value to your life in more ways than one. The fourth one is grow plants that are actually beneficial for the environment. So, from pollinators to say fruit dispersers, you can grow plants that actually attract butterflies, bees, and birds to your garden. And the fifth one is garden for the beauty and the benefits of gardening. Any garden is highly therapeutic, and just spending time in your garden and touching soil is a very, very relaxing activity. So spend more time in your garden this year.